Hello student, in this video we talk about how to create simple titles in Filmora 12, right? So open your Filmora and from here stock media or the media, import your media, right? And then I select my any video clip, I import my media and then click on drag and drop, right? First I silent my media and from here I want to write my name, my YouTube channel name or my TikTok name, right? So I click on the titles and from here first I see the trending and then I see the new, and from here I see the mine, my favorite, and then I see my the download titles, right? And from here I see my the custom, right? So first we talk about the journal, the normal title, right? So click on the titles and then click on the plain text, right? And so I want to download it. The diamond sign is the sign, it is the premium, right? If you see this diamond sign in any transition in any title, right, it means it will be premium, but in my course you will get it free of cost, right? So I drag and drop this title, right, and then select it and from here click on it, select it, drag and drop, and from here I want to change the color. So I want to change this red color, so the color will be changed. I want to write my channel name, my personal name, my Nurwali Baz, right? So I want to write my name, right? So I want to increase its size, decrease the size, and no, I want to increase the size, so it will be increase. If you want to change its font, then click on it and from here you change the font. From here you also resize this. So it is our first class. In this class we just learn where is title and how we can download the title and how we can drag and drop the title and how we edit our title in Filmora 12. In the next classes we use the advanced feature and all types of title we discuss in this course one by one, inshallah.